How to fix Windows Update error code 800920004 in Windows 11 and Windows 10. And such type of Windows Update error code appear when you try to install Windows latest update in Windows 11 and Windows 10. And to fix this issue, the first workaround is run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Go to Windows settings, under system settings, choose troubleshoot. Here choose other troubleshooters and run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Windows will detecting issues and fix them accordingly. Wait for some times. Such type of a type appear and click on fix. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. In command prompt Windows, execute the command sfc scan now. Sometimes corrupted file system may be a cause of Windows update error code in Windows 11 and Windows 10. So execute sfc /scan now and press enter. Also run the dism tool to fix this issue. The following dism tool as shown on a screen: dism online cleanup image, scanhealth, checkhealth and restorehealth. Execute this command one by one, followed by enter key on each times. Copy this. All this command path will be available in my video's description. You may copy from there. Copy this and paste one by one. Also run the Windows Update components. Reset the Windows Update components. First execute these 4 commands one by one, followed by enter key. Net stop, stop, stop. And once this command will successfully executed, these 2 commands also execute these 2 commands. Simply copy it from my video's description and paste it in command prompt with follows with enter key. Thereafter start all the net stop which you have executed earlier. Now we will start this and finally restart your system. Your error will resolve now.